Alright guys, today we're gonna do the starter. This is Mercedes. It's an S550. It's a 4Matic. Guys, the first thing first, you just come under the trunk right here. You just pull this to the side. You just pull it all the way. And then guys, if you just see down there, right there guys, that's our battery. So guys, you disconnect the negative terminal from the battery, and then once that is done, then we can begin the process of the starter replacement, and then we'll walk you guys on the process. Alright guys, you take this right here. You just come right here. Just take it like that. Just pour it away from right there. So guys, our negative terminal is loose. So what we do, we'll go to the front of the car. So guys, when we come to the front of the car, guys, we have our second battery right here. I normally like to disconnect this negative terminal, so just to avoid any kind of connection down there. So okay, let's proceed. So just come right here. So this is the negative part. I'll just disconnect from here. Just disconnect this from here, guys. I just take it out, and I have to put on somewhere. Maybe just somewhere like here. And guys, I should be good to start the process. I've jacked up the car. I use a jack, a floor jack. So guys, I'm going to go down there and then start replacing. So guys, I come in between under the car, guys. So we have these covers. So I have to take these covers. These are a 12mm. So I just take all of them right from here, and then going all the way back over there, guys. I'll just show you in a moment when they are out. So just take them out. You just take the covers. Just take your time, guys, and then make sure you're comfortable when you're down there. So guys, I'm down here, so we begin the process. This is the 8mm. Put it in a nice place. This is the second 8mm. Put it in a nice place. This is the third 8mm. A nice place right there. Okay, so this part starts sagging, guys. So you come to the front part right here. Very nice place. Nice place right over there. Then guys, we have the last one right here. Okay, this one is out. So once it comes out, guys, we have this access to the lower side of the car. So right here, this is the oil pan. So this is the oil pan right here, guys. That's the power steering. That's the power steering rack. This goes all the way to the steering in the car. So guys, we have to take back this other side, this cover, then we can proceed. Right there. Then we have to check this last one here. Alright, so that's how, guys, push it to the side. So guys, we have all the access to down here. So guys, I'll show you. So right here, guys, we have the starter, and right here this is the side next to steering rack. The starter is just right here. So guys, to get the starter out, we have to take out these two balls right here. So one is this right here, and then the other one is up over there. Then once that is done, guys, we can disconnect the connections behind it. Once the starter we have some access to it. And then let me show you guys in a moment. So you use E14, is E14 to open these two connections. Now I'll show you guys what we do next from there. All right, pay attention. So guys, this is the starter right here. So I'm just gonna show you some angle from behind. So you just come here in front, just below this power steering thing. So when you look up from here, guys, when you look up, like up there, you can see the 13mm, and then you can see the 10mm. So guys, you might not use directly through here, but you can just put your hand from you put your hand just directly from here. You can use a small ratchet from there, and then you can just reach up there just like that. And then once you reach there, guys, you just open it up, and I'll show you in a moment how it comes out. Alright guys, so I'll show you. You just put your hand through here, and then guys, you come right here, and then you can look like through here. And guys, you can see like from here, guys, just from under here, just pull like that. Then you bring in your 10mm, and you move to the negative timing right here. So there's the negative thing. You just come right here, and then you just use your 10mm. You open like that, and then you can use your hand. It's not really tough, guys, to come out. Guys, this is a 10mm. You can just take it out. You can take it out from here, guys. This is a 10mm. You can just put it aside. Then you can take your 13mm. So guys, you take your 13mm right here. You just go put it like that. You go back to where I'll show you earlier on. You just go right down there. Just come down here, guys. To where the 13mm is. Just put your hand right there, and then you just take it up to the 13mm right here. Just take it like that, guys, slowly. Yeah, just take your time. Alright guys, you can maybe just use your hand. And this one comes out like this, so you can pull it out and pull in a safe place. So guys, once these two are done, you can just disconnect this power line which comes from top. But since guys we've removed the power from the battery, this thing should be good to go. Just leave it on the side, and you can disconnect from here, from the starter from here. Just let it go like that. Just put it aside. And then also guys, you disconnect this going to number 8 right here. This one guys is out. So guys, what remains now guys is just to remove this Torx. This is Torx 14, the top one and the bottom one, and then our starter should be able to come out without problems, and I will show you how it comes out just quick. So guys, for your information, this is where your hand will go through, just right here between the exhaust and on the steering thing. But make sure guys, when you're doing this, make sure your car is cold, so guys you don't burn your hand in the process of doing it. Alright guys, so once you're here, you just come up there, you just put the connection like that right here guys. You just connect like that, and then guys, you open the upper bolt, and that's open guys. You come to the lower one right here. You have a lower bolt right here guys. You just connect it with that, and then you just disconnect it like that. Guys, when this happens, you just go up here, you disconnect this. It's out. Just pull that one, and you go up there. Take the other one like that guys. It should be the same size, so you just put them on the side. Now what happens guys, you just pull the starter out. You just pull the starter out. So what you do, just take your hand, pull right through here guys. You just pull it up, just pull like that. It just comes out right through here. Well guys, you take this 13mm, you take it out, you put another 13 on the top on the other side, and then guys, you push back the steering rack, and then guys, once this thing moves back, you get access to pull out the starter, and then guys, you should be able to just put back the other one. Also guys, make sure guys you don't mess with the steering. Don't turn it around. Just when you push it back, you just push it in straight, and then don't let anybody mess up with the steering up, so it doesn't make your steering angle sensor. So guys, that's how it is. So guys, to install back the starter, you do the reverse of everything you've done, and then guys, your car will be ready in no time.